Hello there from Dr. Filippo. So today I got Nick with me here. Hello. And I'm gonna show you what an SOT adjustment is, okay? It's a very gentle technique that I use and very efficient, okay? Okay, let's begin. Okay. Right, can you push out that way? Good. That way.
What's this? An SOT.
Sacro Occipital technique. That's what it means.
Okay. What does that mean?
It means that I work both on your skull, on your spine, and on the viscera and the fascia, which is like a swimming suit that covers the body.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have your hands? Okay. And can you bend his knee?
Yep.
So I'm going to release tension from his fascia before I get him ready for the blocks, which are the blue things that you'll see in a second. Okay. And now I'm releasing tension from the diaphragm. And your hands again. Okay, that's better. And here I'm also doing a cranial adjustment. Okay, it's very gentle. Now can you breathe in? You breathe in and out. Now can you bring your toes up when you breathe in? And breathe out. And again. And out. One more time. And relax.
So noise feels amazing.
What feels amazing?
This head adjustment.
Yeah. Good. Okay, can you go on your phones? Okay. Now can you turn your head to the right and left and keep going, and back to the middle. Okay. So these are the blocks, and I'm gonna put them on your pelvis. Okay, relax. And is that comfy enough?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna press 7 points, and you tell me which one is more sensitive, okay?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Any of them?
3, 4, and 7 are probably around the same.
Okay. One side more than the other?
Left side more than that. Right?
Okay. Relax, relax. And breathe in and out. And again. And out. One more time. And out. So pressing the 7 points on your glutes help me to understand what to adjust in your low back. Okay. Now I'm gonna press 7 more points along this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
4 and 7 on the left.
Okay. That? Okay. Any of those 2 points bothering the most?
Neither.
Okay. And breathe in and all the way out. And this is a very gentle adjustment. There's no clicking going on. Breathe in and out. Was that okay, Nick?
Yeah. I was expecting the big clicks.
No. Now, can you give me a cough? Good. And breathe in and out. And again and out. And again and out. And again and out. Good. We're almost done. I'm checking your leg length. Now it's equal. Before it was left short leg.
Okay.
And yeah, there was a SCT adjustment. Nothing to be scared of. Cool?
Nothing to be scared of.
From Innate Wellness Chiropractic, helping your body do what it does best. Have a great day.